everyone, welcome to today's video. As you can see, I am in my bathroom today, and I'm in my tiny bathroom today, and I'm going to be decluttering and cleaning this little bathroom because it's actually been a couple days, which is bad, but it's been a couple days and I want to kind of get this decluttered. So I told you guys that my husband and I moved into this 2-bedroom 1-bathroom apartment. So this is a tiny bathroom that me, my husband, and our 2 children will be sharing. So I will be looking for ways to store things in this bathroom because it is pretty small, so I am going to have to be creative with how I store things. Right now I don't have any storage like in this bathroom at all. So this little cubby that's behind the toilet is just like packed with a bunch of bathroom stuff that I need baskets to organize with. I'm not going to be organizing it today because I don't have baskets for it today. I'm going to go this weekend to get baskets for it or some type of organization for it. But today I will just be cleaning it out because I haven't cleaned this out since we moved in. Like, I haven't wiped it out or anything. So I just want to do that and just give the bathroom a quick refresh and just disinfect it with some wipes and stuff to clean it up a bit. So if this sounds like something that you're interested in watching, please stay tuned and don't forget to hit the red subscribe button below. Thanks for watching.
We know that it was so wrong, but been out of love yet for so long. Yeah, how can we know when it was all done? Yeah, now here we are and we are long gone. Live fast and die young. Tell me, do you wanna rewind for a while? Hot A, red flames. Tell me, could we do it again one more time? Do it again one more time. With candy eyes and all the dreams, you told me twice that you're the only pretty girl for me. So long ago, when we were free, yeah, for a while we were harder than a wooden beam. How could we know that it was so wrong? We've been out of love yet for so long. Yeah, how could we know when it was all done? Yeah, now here we are and we are long gone. Live fast and die young. Tell me, do you wanna rewind for a while? Hot A, red flames. Tell me, could we do it again one more time? Do it again one more time. Do it again one more time. Do it again one more time. Live fast and die young. Tell me, do you wanna rewind for a while? Hot A, red flames. Tell me, could we do it again one more time? Do it again one more time. What's it like to be the one that he turns to when he's out of answers? What's it like to be the one that he comes to when he wants to dance? And I wonder what's that like? I have got him on my mind, but he doesn't know my name. you that you were all he wants. And it's midnight, oh, I'm thinking about him. I have got him on my mind, but he doesn't know my name, and I'm running out of time.
Okay, you guys, so that is the washer, the dryer. That's a cute little song to it. It's time to fold. Okay, now that's long. Actually, I didn't know it was this long. This is long. Okay, so I'm actually sweating a little bit now, but I'm in. So I just got done with the shower stall here, cleaning out these, and then I had cleaned the toilet with those disinfecting wipes that you guys saw. So now I'm gonna move on to the sink mirror situation here, and I'm just gonna get this cleaned off. So I wanted to show you guys how ridiculous this looks. So when we moved in this apartment a couple months ago, it didn't have a mirror. So my husband and I, we bought a mirror, a chrome mirror that is the color or the finish of this. Actually, I can show it to you. It's under our bed. We actually still have the mirror. That's the thing. So this is the mirror. This is the mirror that we purchased from Home Depot, and we bought this mirror to put in the bathroom. So we read, the directions are horrible, first of all, let me say, and my husband is not really much of a handyman. So when we tried, we first started to mount these, as you guys can see up here, got them mounted, and then we tried to put the actual oval mirror like in here where they go. They swivel a little bit, but for some reason we couldn't get the mirror to like fit in there. So we tried to take these out so that we can just start over, and look how it is in the wall. Like, we don't want to just pull it out because then it'll leave like a big hole in the wall, and the other one is like that too. Like, we cannot get it off. So my husband was just like, we'll get it off eventually, just leave it. We need to put a mirror up there for now. So then we went to Walmart and just got like this black mirror that you see here to put up in the meantime. We still cannot get these off. We haven't tried again like lately, but eventually these will come off. I don't know what's going to be left here. I don't know what's going to be left here, but we'll get them off and we will figure out a solution for them. But for now, our mirror looks like this. I just wanted to explain what was on the side of these mirrors before you're like, wait, what's going on here? So yeah, this mirror was just like $9.99 at Walmart. We decided to just get some command strips and put this mirror up on the wall and just leave these two where they are for right now. So yeah, I'm just gonna clean the mirror and the sink, and then I'm gonna sweep the floor here. I'll sweep the floor there, and then I'll get all of the products put back onto the shelves up there.
She feels the same, and I'm acting stupid like every day. Don't know what to do or what I should say, 'cause I have got him on my mind, but he doesn't know my name. I wanna hold his hand, 'cause Let me feel your love again. 'Cause I've been running round in circles, screaming out your name. Take me to a different place. Just the two of us and we can stay up all night, kissing under streetlights, doing what we want to, doing what we need to do, staying up all night. Everything is alright. Oh, I wanna be with you. Oh, I wanna be with you. Let me be that someone who can hold your hand. I don't even know if you can understand how you make me feel. I got you in my head. Oh, I wanna be with you. Oh, I wanna be with you. 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 All that time away from you, I didn't think I'd make it without you by my side. Let me feel your love again. Just the two of us and we could stay up all night, kissing under streetlights, doing what we want to, doing what we need to do, staying up all night. Everything is alright. Oh, I wanna be with you. Oh, I wanna be with you. Let me be that someone who can hold your hand. I don't even know if you can understand how you make me feel. I got you in my head. Oh, I wanna be with you. I wanna be with you. I wanna be with you. 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 Wanna be with, 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 wanna. Let me be that someone who can hold your hand. Let me be. I don't even know if you can understand how you make me feel. I got you make me feel. I wanna be with you. I wanna be with you. Be with you. I wanna be with you. Be with you. Be with you. Be
So you think you were right? Bring it on, prove me wrong. Go put up a fight. The way I do will knock you down. You know there's emotion between us. Don't go cry about it. Don't go cry about it. You want me to take you in my trust.
Alright, you guys, so I am finally finished this small bathroom. Like I said, I didn't really get to organize all of the things that were in these cubicle shelves because I don't have the baskets yet, but I am so glad that I got it, at least all of the cords from being everywhere, and then like all of the products wiped off and just standing up in a good space. So I wanted to show you guys the final product and how it looks for now. So my curling irons and hot irons are in this black box at the bottom. as much as that would fit in there. And then on top of that is my husband's clipper set. And then in this second one, I have the rest of my hair electronics that will not fit in this box up here. I have them just all wrapped and in that corner. So like, I do want to get an organization for this, definitely, just because I really cannot stand how this looks with the cords out like that. But at least it looks a little bit better now that it's, you know, wrapped up properly. And then I have my Simple Human makeup mirror on this shelf, as well as some hair products, Oil Sheen and Got2b Glued Spray. And then on the bottom here, so I have one basket, and this is just what I put everyday stuff in that I use. I really just throw things in here because this basket is not really wide or anything. It's not the storage that I'm looking for this stuff, so I just put miscellaneous stuff in here. And then over here is just where I wiped off all of these products and just stood them up so that they look, so that it looks presentable at least. And then I have my mannequin head back there, and then right here is my makeup bag and Q-tips right there. Toilet is clean, shower is clean. So we have a shower stall. It is a very small shower. We can't take baths, but that's okay. I'm grateful for what we have. So yeah, shower's all clean, and I just put my Olay body wash in here, and then my husband uses the Dove bar soap. And then this is how this is looking. I actually really like the floors that's in here. They're like stone floors. Looks really good. And pretty soon, I think actually by the end of this week, I'm going to be washing this rug, just because I washed it actually like not even a week ago, and I feel like as soon as we step on it again, it gets like yellow. I guess that's just what it's like having a white bath mat. But I love white. It just looks so clean and everything. But the thing about it is, to keep it white, I guess I have to constantly wash this rug because it already kind of looks dirty. The white stuff that you see on the floor is baby powder. My husband gets baby powder everywhere in this bathroom when he is in here. So I did sweep over there, but I guess I just have to, mop for it to really get the baby powder up. But that's all that is. So this is the bathroom. Very small, but very clean. That's going to be it for today's video, guys. If you liked it, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Hit the red subscribe button below for more videos and content like this. Thank you guys again for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.